Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, RBNB College, Department of Chemistry, Srirampur, District, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to start. The chapter name is Elements of Groups 13, 14 and 15. In this chapter, last lecture we also discussed the physical properties. All physical properties we also studied in the last lecture, and previous lecture we also discussed in the chemical properties. In this chemical properties, the first chemical properties means oxidation state is completed. Now the second properties of the group 13, 14 and 15 is reaction with the oxygen and air. Means all of three groups react with the oxygen and air, and then formation of new compound will be take place here. Now the first group is group 13. Here is a group 13. We know that group 13 in which the 6 elements are present. Now boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. All of these elements are present in the group 13. In this group 13, the elements and reaction with the oxygen and air. Here is elements are reacts with the oxygen and then formation of oxides. Now in this reaction, first we can see here is a 4 elements. Here is where is the E means number of elements of the group 13. Now we can take place the element is replaced and then take place the element. Now here is a E. 4E solids are reacts with the 3 molecules of oxygen gas on the heating process of the airs or oxygen and then formation of a oxide. This is the oxide 2E2O3. Now we can take place examples of the group 13 element. Here is we can take place first element is a boron. Now we can take place the boron. Now here is a 4 boron. We can take place. Here is a solid form. 4 boron in the forms of solids are reacts with a 3 oxygen gas, 3 O2 gas molecules are reacts with a 4 boron atom on the presence of heating. Here is a heating, on the presence of heating or oxygen. Now the formation of 4 B and O2. Now this is the formation of twice BO2. This is the molecules of BO2 and formation of oxide molecules are formed in the group 13's element. Now the group 14, here is the same case to group 14 in which the carbon molecule is a carbon atom is a first element in that group, and that's why its name is a carbon family. Now here is a E solids means element solids are reacts with a half molecules of oxygen means O2 gas or in the presence of heating or air or oxygen and then formation of EO means we can take place. Here is a carbon. Now we can take place a carbon. Now carbon solids are reacts with a half O2 gas and then formation of carbon monoxide. Here is formation of carbon monoxide. 1 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom means the carbon solids are reacts with a half O2 molecules in the presence of heat and then formation of carbon monoxide. Similar case we can take place. Here is also carbon. Now here is a carbon solids are reacts with a O2 gas and then in the presence of heat or oxygen and then formation of carbon dioxide. Here is formation of E2 and then here is formation of CO2 means carbon dioxide form in this group 14 reaction with the oxygen and air. Here is a E means we can take place the any types of elements means carbon, silicon, germanium. All of these group 14 element we can take place. For example, here I only take carbon solids and here is a element solids are reacts with a O2 gas in the presence of heat and then formation of EO2. E means element's name. We can take place. Here is a carbon solids are reacts with the oxygen gas in the presence of heat and then formation of a carbon dioxide. This is the example or reactions of the group 14 elements. Now the similar case of a group 15 element, we know that the group 15, it's the first element is a nitrogen and it's a nitrogen family. Then second one is a phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. All of these elements are a group 15 element. Now this is the reaction of group 15. Here is a reaction with oxygen and air. Now the group 15 elements are reacts with the oxygen and air. Then formation of two types of oxide. Here is formation of two types of oxide. The first one, element E4 are reacts with the 3 molecules of O2 gas in the presence of heat, and then formation of E4O6 means 3 2s are 6. Here is oxygen is a 6 and E is a 4. E4O6 is the oxides. Then oxides are formed in the group 15 elements. Now we can take place an example. Here is a P means phosphorus. P4 are reacts with the 3 molecules of oxygen in the presence of heat. Then formation of P4O6. This is the example of group 15 or P4O6. Now similar case we can take place the arsenic. Here is we can take place arsenic. As4 means arsenic 4 are reacts with the 3 molecules of oxygen in the presence of heat, and then formation of As4. Here is As4 and 3 2s are 6 means oxygen is a 6. Here is a O6. This is the compound. This is the oxide compounds are formed the group 15's element. Now which compounds are formed? Oxide. Here is also oxide compound and here is also oxide compounds, means group 13, 14 and 15 are forms the oxides compound, means reaction with oxygen and air in the presence of heating, and then formation of oxide compounds. The all of these 3 groups are reacts with oxygen or air, and then formation of new compounds or oxide compounds are formed in this reaction. Now the next reaction will be reaction with water, then reaction with halogen and reaction with nitrogen. This is the properties. All of these chemical properties, the first chemical properties is oxidation state, then second chemical properties we can take place. Here is a reaction with oxygen and air. Now the third properties is reaction with the water, and fourth properties is reaction with the halogen compound. Then here is only discuss in the reaction with oxygen and air. Now next properties we will be discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.